Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a design and shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, select the to mask, select a sticker, duplicate the sticker, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the color of shape, change the background color, please like the video and subscribe the channel.